In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into Wix. Whether you're managing client appointments, scheduling team meetings, or organizing personal events, embedding your Calendly link directly into your Wix website can make the booking process seamless and professional. This tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring that you can integrate Calendly effortlessly, even if you're not a tech wizard. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Calendly embed that blends perfectly with your website design, making scheduling as smooth as possible. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can create one using the link in the description. Calendly is a versatile scheduling tool that simplifies the process of setting up appointments and managing your availability. So make sure to get started if you haven't already. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Calendly homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage your appointments, create new event types, and most importantly for today, access the link that you'll be embedding into your Wix site. Once you're there, locate the specific meeting type you'd like to embed. This might be a one-on-one meeting, a group session, or any other event type you've set up. Click on it to open its details. Now that you're in the meeting's details, look for the option to copy the link. This step is crucial because this link is what you'll be embedding into your Wix website. It's much easier and quicker to use this direct link than trying to manually search or recreate the event details later. Once you've clicked on the copy link button, the URL will be saved to your clipboard, so you're ready for the next step. Next, switch over to the Wix Editor for your website. The Wix Editor is where you can customize your entire site, from design to functionality, and this is where we'll be embedding your Calendly link. Once inside the editor, look for the plus sign located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu full of options for adding new elements to your page. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Embed. This is the section in Wix that allows you to integrate external content, such as HTML code or URLs, directly into your site. Within the Embed options, choose the HTML iframe tool. This is specifically designed to handle embedded links like the one we just copied from Calendly. Now, add an iframe to your page. When you do, you'll see a window pop up asking for the website address you'd like to embed. This is where you'll paste the Calendly link that you copied earlier. Make sure you paste it carefully and double check that the URL is correct to avoid any errors or issues with the content displaying properly. Once you've pasted the link, go ahead and click the Apply button. This will generate a live embedded view of your Calendly event right on your Wix site. You should now see the scheduling interface appear on the page. At this point, it's time to fine-tune how the iframe looks and functions on your site. Start by clicking and dragging the iframe to reposition it on the page. Place it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout, perhaps in the center of a dedicated scheduling section or alongside complementary content. Next, resize the iframe by clicking on its corners and adjusting the dimensions. This ensures it fits well within your site's design and doesn't look out of place. You can make it larger for easier visibility or smaller to save space, depending on your preferences. Finally, take a moment to customize the iframe so it blends seamlessly with the rest of your website. You might want to match its size, colors, or alignment with your existing design elements to create a cohesive look. Taking this extra step will make the embedded Calendly tool feel like a natural part of your website, enhancing the overall user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your Calendly event into your Wix website. With this setup, visitors can now schedule appointments with you directly from your site without needing to navigate elsewhere. So now you know exactly how to embed Calendly into your Wix site, step by step. If you have any questions or need help with other features, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.